All right, boys, we are live in Ocean City, Maryland. I'm giving you guys a POV view of Cruising Week. Everywhere you go, there's cars. It is crazy. We got a Mustang right there, looking sick. Brother, how you doing? So, I've never actually seen a POV video done of Hot Rod Week. There might be out there, you might be able to find it, but I figured why not? This would be pretty cool. Give you guys a little action. It's not as crazy as it used to be. And when I tell you crazy, it used to be absolutely insane.
A few moments later.
Oh shoot! All right. Let me show them what's up. Welcome to America, baby. Oh, this is so awesome. I hope the GoPro's recording this. Yeah, buddy. Oh, shoot. I'm talking about it's getting wild right now. It's Corsa. Corsa for the win. Well, hopefully we can catch up to these Mustangs. Give you guys a little bit of that DCT action. I really wish I can hit it with a Hellcat. Like, I really wish. There's some Hellcats down here. I know they'd be down. I know you guys don't remember my buddy. He's got a red Hellcat. It's just like, it's kind of like the same spec as the Shelby, I want to say. Just red, black interior, awesome car, awesome build. But I did find out, he messaged me the other day and said, I just hit him up and see how he was doing, and he told me he is going Whipple and Cam. So brother, if you're watching this, we will be running it soon. Since we got the mods done to Zeus, but we will need to be on E85. Yep, Mustang right there. Yes, sir. Stang gang. So, everyone is trying to get into Wawa right now. That is the place to be. And yeah, I guess we'll try to get in there too. That BMW is sick. You can see the line starts building up on the right hand side. Everyone just trying to get in. See that cop posted up there? Posted up big time. This is one place you can't mess around. What's up, bro? So this is the famous Wawa that everyone goes to, and it is absolutely, oh, actually they might be kicking people out now. Doesn't look as busy as it normally is, but dang, that sun blinded me. I can't see crap. I don't know if you guys can see. All right, there goes the sun. But yeah, Terminators, Mother Mustang GTR over there. Vets. Everyone out right now is prowling, looking for some races right now. Yet again, it's kind of stupid. This is an extremely hot area to be racing and not the smartest area. I actually need to get some gas, so I'm going to fill up with some 93 because we need it. We'll put a couple bucks in there. With the big fuel system, you got to keep it around at least a full tank. I like to at least, just to be safe, because you guys know, if you don't know, I've said this before on the channel, but having a full tank of gas keeps the pumps cool, keeps everything cooler, keeps the fuel going into the motor cooler, so you're gonna make more horsepower. People think running the car on very low gas is good for it. It's not. It's really not. I got this single cab right here. It's my friend Bobby's truck. This thing is super nice. Look at his welds he got up front. Turbo out the side, a big tire on the back. This was kind of the inspiration for Baby Yoda right here. Just so y'all know, this is where I wanted it. I saw this truck, I was like, yeah, this truck is nice. But I wanted to show you this S197. If we ever go S197, which we will eventually, I think we will get one later down the road, just to experience it, have it, enjoy it. I'm gonna go Deep Impact Blue. I think that's the route we're gonna go with that. So many cars out here. Fat House Twin Turbo, Whipple GT350. There's everything out here. I want to show you guys this single cab over here. Another S550. I think this one might be twin turbo, not too sure. But this single cab right here is something crazy. This looks like a midnight build, to be honest. Exhaust cut out the side, big tire on the back, and check it out, 1.3 twin turbo kit right up front. Looks pretty crazy. All right, boys, we are out. We're leaving the meet. Saw some pretty cool cars, and woo! DCT for the win, maybe. 7-Eleven was lit. It was absolutely packed. It was insane. A lot of fast cars, a lot of cool people, and we are out. So we're gonna cruise the strip, see what we can get into. There's gonna be some night meets later, so I'm sure we're gonna be out to that. It did get chilly. It is a boost weather season upon us, I will tell you all that. Cops are out though. Everyone's getting kicked out of everywhere, so which kind of sucks. And I think they're gonna be shutting streets down. As you can see, traffic here is just gridlocked, so that's annoying. But yeah, we'll see what else we get into. I know tonight I might just send it for y'all. If y'all want, please drop a like on this video and we'll go to Mexico. We will go to Mexico tonight. And I don't know if we'll get into anything personally, but I would like to get out there and do some filming. We don't have the tire, unfortunately. We do have the Toyo 888Rs on the rear, which aren't bad. I know they won't work from a second gear 50 roll. I tested it, they smoke them, and especially with a lot of cars out here, a lot of people came out on kill. They came out ready to party. Like, I'm not even joking. People brought E85. I mean, we had to bring E85 for the GTR. I didn't show you guys that, but we had to bring a lot of jugs. I had like 3-4 jugs in the Shelby of just E85 for him. If we were both on E85, we would need a full-blown tanker truck to supply us, because this gets maybe 150 on a full tank of E85 from what I've been told from other Shelby owners, but we're gonna have to see. Shelby will be on E85 soon, so wish we can go do a little pool at least. There's just so many cops. And true, also, I just remembered, they did lower the speed limit to 30 miles an hour, which is pretty crazy for the special event zone, they call it. And yeah, they will definitely hem everyone up.
How are you?
Yeah, buddy. Gunshot, baby. What's up, bro? Uh-oh, uh-oh. Oh, snap. Violators may be arrested. Special event zone. I'm getting arrested. I'm going to jail. That's it. We're doing a pool. What's up, man? I like your Evo. You like? 40 roll. It made 840. It's on pump gas. Thanks, man. So, me, I call this the bottom streets. The bottom streets of Ocean City. These are the low number streets, obviously. This is the bottom of the barrel of Ocean City. This is where shit hits the fan. Yep, you saw that? I don't know what was that guy on. Guess he must have been a Camaro fanboy. And a little salty he saw a Shelby. Sucks. But anyway, as I was saying, what's up, man? How are you? Thank you, man. I'm filming now. You're on the vlog. Car looks good. Have a good day, bud. That's awesome. I freaking love that. That literally makes my day. Makes my day. Like I was saying, this is the bottom of the barrel of Ocean City. When I mean it's in a good way. This is where it goes down. So when I was telling you guys before, when the burnouts and stuff are going down, people that used to stay in all these little hotel streets, me and my cousin used to be out here till 3, 4 in the morning, and all these side streets, they'd be running hoses out to the main road, and there would just be water all over, and it was just burnout after burnout after burnout. I'm gonna try to go back in my Snapchat, and I'm gonna have to do some serious digging. I'm going back like 6, 7, maybe 8 years now to find that. But it was pretty crazy. His car looks really good. Love that gray. But yeah, dude, it was so crazy. We'd be out here till 2, 3 in the morning. Cops didn't care because it was under control. We weren't doing like rolling burnouts or anything. We were just stopping, doing a burnout, or not me personally, but other people. I wasn't even driving then. Stopping, doing a burnout, and then just letting it like roll out a little bit. And you can see some people are doing burnouts in here. I don't know how well it's gonna show up on camera, but all the lines on the street, super dark out, it's kind of hard to see. Hope the footage is good for y'all, but it was crazy. That was the time to be filming, and I missed it so much. When I was younger, so I really can't say I regret it, but it is what it is. Gotta be nice to the bikers. Those bikers were cool. At least they're walking. That DCT, telling you, that thing hits. He actually was just telling me, I didn't have the camera rolling, I'm an idiot. He got pulled over today for window tint, but the cops let him go. Actually, I did get pulled over up here. Is the first time I ever got pulled over in Ocean City. It was actually, every time I've been pulled over was on this road. So I got pulled over, a cop pulled out in front of me, a little story time action again. Cop pulled out in front of me. I don't know if he wasn't paying attention or trying to look at another car. This is genuine, this is actually what happened. And I had to slam on the brakes and there was no one in this lane. I was in the right lane. And it was like one of those side streets, I give it to him, you really can't see, it's hard to see because all the cars parked everywhere. But he pulled out in front of me and I was already going pretty fast, maybe like 30. But when he pulled out in front of me, it was so close, maybe from here to the next car, I literally hit the brakes and I swerved into this lane and went right around them. And he took out like a bat out of hell and got up on my bumper and pulled me over. And he was like, he didn't say nothing about the incident. And I asked him and I was like, dude, like, why would you pull me over? I just avoided an accident. He's like, well, I stopped you for your window tint. I was like, bro, I literally almost just smashed into your car. If I was on my phone or I wasn't paying attention or I wasn't a good driver, like I could have genuinely just hit my brakes hard and I would have still hit him. That was the reason I had to go in the left lane to get around him. Like if I had a dash cam, that would have been a 1 in a million video because it was just the way it happened and he was just mad. He was genuinely just mad. I don't know why, but he was just upset. And I was nice to him. I told him, I was like, dude, I don't really feel the need to get a ticket. I mean, I just avoided an accident and I saved you a whole bunch of paperwork. But yeah, my window tint is a little too dark. I don't really see that as being a federal crime. So yeah, that was pretty much the start of me selling my blue Gen 2 because I was like, you know what? I'm done with this. I don't feel like dealing with tickets. I don't feel like having to take it all. So I just went up, I took the car to the dealer. I ended up selling it, sold the car, and that was that. And then I went and got a truck and I started working full time. Oh, is this a cat? Let me find out, boys. Let me find out we got a cat. Ah, it is a cat. Uh-oh. Yeah, they got cat stock. We found a cat. I'll stick him on the cat. Subscriber takes out Hellcat. I think we got some Camaros up here too. Hellcat don't want it. Nice little 3-valve right there. Ah, ZL1 1LE, my friend. Uh-oh. That car looks sick though. That blue looks good. Man, I wish that we can get like every car off the strip and just go out on the highway. That would be, it'd be fun. That'd be wild. Someone would be going to jail, most likely me. It might be worth it though. God, I want to hit it so bad. Every bone in my body is telling me just to mat the gas. But I know there's a cop sitting in one of these alleys just waiting for someone just to flip the throttle just enough so they can come out and get you. They usually sit down here, like in one of those.
Everybody waiting for the come up. I ain't sharing one thing. Yeah, I'ma keep on working till the sun up, till I get my rollie and my chain. Yeah. Out in my life when I dropped out of class and fuck you to college, they scamming your ass and you don't even know what the fuck you there for. Government made you the puppet, you know. Ain't nobody gonna tell you, but the only ones that stay on woke. Yeah. Please wear your mask, they gon' save you. Stupid motherfucker, that's a joke. Yeah. Once he starts calling, the calling won't stop. To my Lord Jesus Christ, we ain't praying enough, and I told him I'm sorry.